Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Hemingway readability to improve on-page engagement, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching the Hemingway editor on your device. Copy and paste your text into the Hemingway editor. Observe the color-coded highlights in your text. Yellow highlights indicate complex sentences that could be simplified. Aim to reduce the number of yellow highlights. Review the sentences marked in red. These sentences are overly complex and should be shortened or broken into simpler parts. Next, pay attention to any adverbs highlighted in purple. Consider removing adverbs to create a more direct style. Look for instances of passive voice, marked in green. Rewrite these sentences to use active voice instead. Check for any phrases that the editor suggests could be simplified. Replace these phrases with shorter, more straightforward alternatives. Read your revised text aloud to ensure smooth flow and clarity. Review the overall readability score at the top of the editor. Make adjustments until you achieve your desired readability level. Once satisfied, copy the revised text back to your original document. Finalize formatting and presentation before publishing. By following these steps, your content will be more engaging and accessible to readers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.